Good morning. I'm Dr. S. Parvin Bono, Assistant Professor in English, Chikenna Government Arts College, Tirupur. Dear students, I'm going to handle a paper named Shakespeare 1, which has been prescribed for you in this fifth semester. This paper has been prescribed by Bharatiya University and it deals with 5 units. Unit 1 deals with the Shakespeare's play Othello, whereas Unit 2 deals with Shakespeare's play Twelfth Night. Both these plays are detailed and we are going to see it in detail. Whereas Unit 3 and 4 comprises of two plays. One is Merchant of Venice, another one is Julius Caesar, which we are going to see it as a non-detailed play. And Unit 5, we are going to have an outlook on Shakespeare in theatre. As we all know, Shakespeare is a well-known dramatist, playwright, and an actor. He was born on 1916 in Stratford-on-Avon, and Shakespeare, we all would have learned about him that he is one among the greatest playwright. He has written around 37 plays, and all his plays are categorized into four types. One is histories, comedies, third one is tragedies and romances. Among this play, among all these plays, only four plays has been prescribed for you. And the first play which we are going to see in detail is Othello. As we all know that Othello is a Moor of Venice, this play opens in a place called Venice, and we are introduced to two main characters. One is Rodrigo, another one is Iago, the villain of this play. Iago is Othello's ensign, and he is jealous of Othello because he has not been given the post of lieutenant, which Othello has denied Iago, and he has given that post to Cassio. Therefore, this Iago is very much jealous on Othello and he wants to take revenge on this Othello. And through this play, we come to see how Iago, being a villain, he poisons Othello's mind against his wife Desdemona, making Othello to believe that Desdemona is not loyal enough to him. She is having an illegal contact with another person, and he makes Othello husband to kill his own wife. Almost all Shakespeare's plays deals with real characters which we come across in our life. Yes, Shakespeare, by going through this paper, you'll learn more about Shakespeare and his works and the reality of characters which he has depicted through his plays. Thank you. Thank you so much.